2004 Mercedes Benz C230 engine size 1.8. The rider bell replacement. First time you remove the air and remove the upper radiator hole and remove the hole and the rider bell. Crankshaft fully tensioner. Water pump, alternator, power security pump, the fully AC compressor, fuel extension, move the right side, move the right side. Right side and take off the belt. Use a better tools. Take off the tensioner. Old bell. And you check and make sure the cylinder there. Thank you watching my video. Please put subscribe for me. Thank you. Next time I put new video.